Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HUD display has suddenly stopped responding, isn't loading information correctly, or seems completely unresponsive, you're definitely not the only one experiencing this problem. Issues with the HUD display can be caused by temporary software glitches, Wi-Fi interruptions, power-related problems, or synchronization errors. Fortunately, a device that isn't working properly doesn't always mean there's a serious hardware issue. In many situations, a few simple troubleshooting methods are enough to restore normal operation. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help get your HUD display working again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the HUD display is receiving power and verify that all cable connections are secure. Step 2. Confirm that the HUD display is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network for proper syncing and updates. Step 3. Restart the HUD display to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Step 4. Check whether software updates are available and install the latest version for the HUD display. Step 5. Unplug the HUD display from power for a few minutes before reconnecting it. Step 6. Verify that the HUD display is functioning normally again.